43. Why should you lock the tractor glad hands to each other, or dummy couplers, when you are not towing a trailer? It will keep dirt or water out of the lines. 44. The fifth wheel locking lever is not lock it after the jaws close around the kingpin. This means that the coupling is not right and should be Y close around the kingd to PED unit. 45. There are two things that a driver can do to die be axed before ORIVING the cording. 46. How much space should be allowed between the GROUDS POS I heel after coupling turns? And 2. Keep the cargo as close to the ground as possible. 47. The air brake leakage rate for a combination vehicle, engine off, brakes off, should be less than 3 psi per minute. 48. A driver crosses the airline when hooking up to an old trailer. What will happen? If the trailer has no spring brakes, you could drive away but you wouldn't have trailer brakes. 49. After you have coupled the trailer, you should have to raise the landing gear by using low gear. 50. Why should you be sure that the fifth wheel plate is greased as required? To prevent steering problems. 51. The semi-trailer made before 1975 that are equipped with the air brakes often do not have spring brakes. 52. When checking the trailer emergency brakes, the tractor protection control valve should be placed in what position? Emergency. 53. When should you use the hand valve to park a combination vehicle? Never. 54. After you supply air to the trailer, make sure the air lines are not crossed and the trailer brakes are working. This is done by applying and releasing the trailer brakes and listening for the sound of the brake. 55. Your emergency airline breaks or gets pulled apart while you are driving. The loss of pressure will cause the emergency trailer brakes to come on. 56. You have pushed the trailer air supply valve. You should not back a tractor under a trailer until the whole air system is at normal pressure. 57. There are two things that a driver can do to prevent a rollover. They are 1. Keep the cargo as close to the ground as possible, and 2. Go slow around turns. 58. The hand valve should be used to test the trailer brakes. 59. You are about to back your tractor under a semi-trailer. The trailer is at the right height when the trailer will be lifted slightly when the tractor backs under it. 60. You are coupling tractor to a semi-trailer. You have connected the airlines. Before backing under the trailer, you should supply air to the trailer system, then pull out the air supply knob. 61. There are two things that a driver can do to prevent a rollover. They are 1. Keep the cargo as close to the ground as possible, and 2. Go slow around turns. 62. The airlines on a combination vehicle are often colored to prevent them from mixing up. The emergency line is red, the service line is blue. 63. In normal driving, some drivers use the hand valve before the brake pedal to prevent a jackknife. Which of the statements is true? It should not be done. 64. Before you back under a trailer, make sure that the trailer brakes are locked.